Let's talk about product prototyping. What is a product prototyping? It's the first initial product that you made of your invention. Hi, my name is Jonathan Globerson. I'm a professional product developer, and I'm going to explain to you A to Z how to make a new prototype of your invention. So you come up with an idea, right? Great, awesome. Now you need to actually build it up. So, there's a few ways to do it. One way is to take a few parts from here and there and try to assemble it. It might not look the best. Another option is to go to a professional industrial designer or mechanical engineer, and they will create for you a 3D CAD model or a 3D computer model of your idea. Now we can take that idea and we can use machinery such as 3D printers and CNC machines to create that first prototype. Great, it's coming up. Here's my idea, printed it out. Is it going to work perfect? Probably not. It's the first time you ever try to make your idea. You should be proud of yourself. It's pretty cool, right? It's great. You can try it, you can show it around, you can show it to investors, you can even make a crowdfunding campaign with it. But wait, can you actually make it and bring it into production? Not yet. In order to perfect a product, to bring it all the way into manufacturing, you're probably going to need to make a few adjustments, make it look better, make it work better, improve that hinge, improve that feature. So you're going to find yourself going through quite a few prototypes before you go into manufacturing. So what is the cost of prototyping? Well, it depends. It could go from a variety. A very simple prototype can cost just a few hundreds of dollars, but if it's very complex with a lot of parts, it could go up to thousands of dollars. So prepare yourself for some expenses until you actually make your first product. But don't worry, you'll find a way to bring the money. You should just start. Go make your idea. Make it great. That's it. See you next time. I'm Jonathan Globerson, and please subscribe down here.